Want to see what's running on your Windows PC right now? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check and manage running processes with PowerShell. We'll cover basic process lists, finding specific programs, checking resource usage, and safely stopping a process when needed. Let's jump in. First, open PowerShell from the Windows Start menu. You can search for PowerShell and open it normally for basic process checks. For tasks that require changing or stopping certain processes, you may need to open it as administrator. Now type Get Process and press Enter. PowerShell will display a list of processes currently running on your computer. You'll see useful columns such as the process name, ID, CPU time, and memory usage. This gives you a quick overview of what Windows is doing in the background. If you're looking for one particular program, you don't need to scan the entire list manually. Use Get Process Name, followed by the process name. For example, Get Process Name Explorer checks for Windows Explorer. If the process exists, PowerShell will display its details. To focus on resource usage, you can select specific properties from the process list. For example, use Get Process, Pipe, Select Object Name, CPU, Working Set. This shows the process name, CPU time, and working memory. This can help when a program seems unusually slow or your PC feels overloaded. PowerShell can also sort the results so you can quickly find processes using more resources. For example, you can sort by CPU with Get Process, Pipe, Sort Object CPU descending. This places processes with higher CPU time toward the top of the list. If a process becomes unresponsive, PowerShell can stop it. First, identify the correct process and its ID. Then use Stop Process ID, followed by that ID. You can also stop a process by name, but be careful here. Closing the wrong process can cause an application or Windows component to stop working. For more details about a process, you can use commands such as Get Process Name Explorer, Pipe, Format List Star. This displays additional properties available for that process. And if you need help with any command, use Get Help followed by the command name. And that's how you can inspect running processes directly from PowerShell. Start with Get Process, filter what you need, check resource usage, and only stop a process when you're sure it's safe. So keep these commands handy whenever you need a closer look at what's running.